In this video, I am going to show you how to delete a page or section on Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website, and today we are going to remove this testimonials page from our Wix website, and also we will remove this testimonial section from the home page of our Wix website. To do this, we need to log into our Wix website editor. And at first we are going to remove the section from our Wix website. So we are going to scroll down to the bottom where our section is. So here is our section that we want to remove from our Wix website. So we are going to right click on it and then click on delete. And as you can see that our section is now deleted. And after that, from the top, just click on publish and our changes will be saved. Now to delete a page from your Wix website, just click on pages and menu. And after that, we are going to select our page, and next to our page we will see this three dots icon. So we are going to click on it. And after that, here we will see a delete button. So we are going to click on it. And as you can see that our page is now deleted. So this is how you can delete a page or section from your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.